Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Chef Grubby. Today we're gonna do one of my viral BLTs. This went viral a couple years ago. We actually have it at one of my restaurants called Court Cafe in LA and Las Vegas. And it's called the Fried Shrimp BLT. Now it's a little different because we make a shrimp patty. So let's get to it, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right. We're starting with the bacon. The type of bacon that I love is brown sugar bacon. Anything sweet and savory, I'm a big fan of. So we're gonna put a brown sugar rub on here with some coarse black pepper. Then we're gonna throw it in the oven for about 20, 25 minutes. And while this is in the oven, we're gonna get this shrimp cracking. So now I have my brown sugar and I have my pepper. Just gonna give it a little rub. Now, this kind of bacon might not be for everybody. You might like it the original way. Let me know in the comments how you like your bacon. But I'm going to tell you right now, this is the best bacon. You don't want to get too much brown sugar on it because that brown sugar will caramelize and it might seem like it's burnt. So you don't want that. Now let's add some of this coarse black pepper. I'm going to pat that down. And in the oven it goes. Now we have our black tiger shrimp. Now I can't stress this enough. Use black tiger shrimp. The color and the texture of it is real meaty. It just, the color pops. The color is the best thing I like about this shrimp. Some of you guys are using that white farm raised shrimp and it just doesn't look good. It doesn't look appealing. And you charge, the, the prices you charge for that type of shrimp is fucking crazy. Black tiger shrimp. And another thing, save your shrimp shells, especially black tiger. It makes the best shrimp stock. Please never throw away the shells. Put them in a Ziploc, throw them in the freezer. And I will be showing you how to make a good shrimp stock. We're going to devein our shrimp. This is the shit y'all need to take out. This is what y'all need to take out. Devein your shrimp. I've been to restaurants where the shrimp came out just like this. I don't want that. All right, we got our shrimp, and now we're about to mince it. You can use a food processor. Of course, that's the easiest thing, but who wants to watch a fucking food processor every time you use it? So we're gonna use the knife. Now, usually what I do, I'll just, start with one and just. So we have our shrimp minced. Now the key to this is to get you a food shaper, and we're gonna use some parchment paper. I'm just gonna spray it with some Pam just so it doesn't stick because we have to put it in the freezer. When we form it as a patty, we're gonna put it in the freezer and let it freeze a little bit so it doesn't break apart when we throw it in the batter. Now, when it freezes, this paper could stick to the shrimp. So just gonna spray a little. And we're gonna get our food shaper. And we're gonna add our shrimp. Gonna pat that down. And we're gonna push that down. Now, of course, you want a wider shrimp patty. So what I do is I just press it down a little bit just to widen that patty out. And there you go. Then it's off to the freezer for at least 30, 45 minutes. So we're gonna slice our tomatoes for the BLT. And one thing I like to do is soak them in rice vinegar. I told y'all I love acid, and it's gonna add that sweetness to the tomatoes as well. Got our tomatoes, put them in a deli cup. And while we wait for our patties to freeze, I'm gonna let these soak. Right, we got our bacon out, look how that, it's perfect. All right, so the patties are almost done, so we're gonna get our batters together. And of course, we're using Blue Magic all-purpose fried batter, which is available now online. Just tap the link in the description. Or if you live in Vegas, you can pull up to Blue Kitchen Garlic Noodle Bar and pick yours up anytime. Now, the way I fry, I always do wet to dry. My wet is not buttermilk, it's not egg wash. I just go with a flour slurry. This is real easy. You want it to be a pancake batter consistency. Add some water. You don't want it too thick. I'm gonna add a little bit more water and this will be perfect. Perfect. Right here, this is perfect. All right, we got our patties out the freezer. Perfect, they're ready. Add this Blue Magic. You really don't need this much batter for 2 patties, but since I created the batter and I have an unlimited supply, I'm gonna just use as much as I want to. All right, now like I told you guys, wet to dry. You always toss and press down so that batter will stick. You can, you can tell if it's gonna look good before you even throw it in the fryer. You see all that gluten hanging? That's how you know. You know it's gonna look good. Right? Just drop that in that grease. And we'll see them in about 7 minutes. That's what you want. Well, this flicker is 189. It's ready. All right. There's a lot of Miracle Whip haters out there. I like mayo and Miracle Whip, but for BLT, that's just how I was raised. My grandmother put Miracle Whip on our BLTs. So let me go ahead and, y'all can put mayo. Spread that on there. I know Sonny likes extra mayo, mayonnaise, Miracle Whip, it doesn't matter. She wants extra. We have our tomatoes that's been soaking in that rice vinegar. Add us some green leaf lettuce. I'll add that bacon. Then we're gonna put that shrimp patty. Look at that. Oh my God.
So I'm sure you already know what this is. The famous shrimp BLT. Mmm. I have a big mouth for this one. It's fire. Oh my gosh. Mmm, 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 mmm. Mmm. Another bite? One more? Mmm, 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 mmm. That bacon, crust of that blue magic, fire. All right.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment in the comment section. Have you ever had a BLT like this? I serve this at my restaurants, Court Cafe LA in Las Vegas. So you can try this too, or you can make it yourself. My nigga, enjoy.